Hello everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. In this video, we are going to talk about some of the important control methods a cell is performing, a cell undergoes in order to control the process of cell division or mitosis. So let us see what are those factors or those controlling factors for the process of mitosis. The first and the most important factor is known as the surface volume ratio. This is the ratio between the surface area of the cell and the volume of the cell. This is an important signal for the process of cell division or mitosis. When a cell increases in size, then the surface area starts increasing in squares, whereas the volume starts increasing in terms of cubes. So we can understand that the volume is increasing much faster than the surface area. Now, this surface area by volume ratio, once the critical point is reached in case of a particular cell, then only it acts as a signal for the cell in order to divide or perform mitosis. At times, if a cell suffers from decrease in the surface volume ratio, then what happens? It also suffers a decrease in the exchanging capability of the cell. At times, we know that the cell or the DNA duplicates in the S phase. So this process of duplication of the DNA in the S phase also acts as a signal for the cells to divide or perform mitosis. The cell division is also initiated due to the exchange in the nucleocytoplasmic ratio, that is the amount of nucleus or the nucleic acids as well as compared to that of the cytoplasmic amount. This ratio also serves as a signaling point for the cell to divide or perform mitosis. The nucleoplasmic index. So what is nucleoplasmic index? The amount of the nucleic acid mass, the nuclear mass compared with that of the cytoplasmic mass. When this two reaches an equilibrium, this is known as the nucleoplasmic index of a particular cell. Now this index is also responsible for initiating the process of cell division. So in this video, we have talked about some of the important methods for the control of the cell division process or the process of mitosis. I hope you have understood and liked this video. Thank you.